A farmer and his bullocks. In a quiet village, nestled amidst lush green fields, there lived a farmer named Giri. Hardworking and humble, he relied on two strong and loyal bullocks, Rama and Bhima, to till his land. The bullocks were not just animals to Giri, they were his parents, his companions in the relentless journey of life. Giri's life was simple. Every morning, he would wake up before sunrise, yoke Rama and Bhima to the plough, and work tirelessly in his fields. The bullocks pulled the plough with unyielding strength, and together they turned the barren soil into fertile land. Over the years, their hard work bore fruit, and the once struggling farmer began to thrive. With the harvest, Giri was able to build a modest but comfortable home, send his children to school, and secure his family's future. Rama and Bhima were a part of every joy and every hardship. During festivals, Giri would decorate them with colorful beads and bells. The entire village admired their bond, knowing how much Giri loved and cared for them. Years passed, and the seasons took their toll on Rama and Bhima. Their once robust bodies grew frail, their pace slowed, and they struggled to pull the plough. Despite their age, Giri refused to sell them or let them suffer. Instead, he allowed them to rest in the shade of a large banyan tree near his home, feeding them the best fodder he could offer. One fateful morning, Giri found Rama lying still in the barn. His heart sank as he realized his loyal companion has passed away in his sleep. Bhima too seemed to sense the loss, his mournful eyes reflecting his grief. Giri buried Rama near the banyan tree, tears streaming down his weathered face. A few months later, Bhima too succumbed to old age. Giri felt as though a part of him had been torn away. The fields, once filled with the rhythmic sound of ploughing, now stood silent. The absence of Rama and Bhima was like a void in his heart. He mourned them not as animals, but as family members who had stood by him through thick and thin. The village, moved by Giri's sorrow, gathered to honor Rama and Bhima. They planted flowers near the banyan tree where the bullocks were buried, and Giri spoke of the love, loyalty, and lessons they had given him. They taught me perseverance and strength, he said, his voice choked with emotion. Without them, I wouldn't have been able to provide for my family. Though time passed and the pain softened, Giri never forgot Rama and Bhima. He often sat under the banyan tree, sharing stories of their unwavering dedication with his grandchildren. The bond between Giri and his bullocks became a tale of love and gratitude in the village, a reminder that sometimes the strongest relationships transcend words and species.